Because I for say my bank and a chamber of mines for also say Yanisa M1.
Chamber of mines for
Oh, Jacob, not to be very fair with the IE, me follow or more press engagement, you know. Or one can say my farmer good fields. All what they called for is increased local content participation. And to that leg, that is the whole honorable during say Yambra no your mining laws no I was here ye na ye state
I was a former money na makwaba at Bagana and some TV so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications. Say next time videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin so watch the or comment section for them. Say money down if Mr. President. Baby who be from Mr. President I meje also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section I meje also. Who see am TikTok na pa Mr. President I meje also sir. Kwa dey baby agenda MPP. So the money in the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They use Jan and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party and many kono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma president. Now also the power by MBA so circuit. Na my kan kaya yi they were John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ebu idi. Ya many am for the Messiah Dr. Ladma Mumba ma the NS assembly few. Now once again me catch a gun and mabunu nyina say amanya sem ne yeye no eh da chinti ne yeye amanya sem nye print ne amanya sem de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo say inti da chi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma to me say fa bidi manfo nanim ya ma to me say fa be ye wo yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian, we educationist, we medical doctor, we once I have more opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Because I for say my bank and a chamber of mines for also say Yanisa M1.
Chamber of mines for Jacob, not to be very fair with the IE, me follow or more press engagement, you know. Or one can say my farmer good fields. All what they called for is increased local content participation. And to that leg, that is the whole honorable during say Yambra no your mining laws no I was here ye na ye state exactly what the local content participation percentage should be. But honorable, as a okay, you know, was a mining no require huge investment. But investment in say any other business investment. Sike komuno asupa ye. Enti no ade no so no I was here hwe ye. Na yes anyama we ni aso ne hwe how ye bisa ye ho say decisions are you taking is it boosting investor confidence and I say demoralizing investor confidence. Na ye sending komoni ani esa ka say mining concessions ni say the more local companies na ye nye mu nda ho na nye transparent ye nye ne say because obinia linked to the government of the day obaye no abaye no ama wenya 3 major mining concessions Azuma Resource, Blackwater, Sankofa, Damai yenhwe san yomani tender processor
we not started time
never did not be
mining na concession say obiabaku for nyane brebe now started say oye ho adwuma.
Oh, it's about time unyai. I'm referring to time unyai. Nobody has raised conversation about time. The fact is that the fact of the matter is that IMF matter is different from the concession and the respectfully. IMF has no concession and the are two distinct things. Are two very separate things.
And I do this results about IMF say economy ni be grow no mo ye hihye bi to ho ma KPMG for kan say by 2025 no economy ni be grow if we see beba from nasefo me boa enti tutua mo ye no na so abane na me bisa say sa concession kan wasam say obi obi dia no o sase bredan na year the results no bre ben
authoritatively and legally or shall say 2025 and a year the results 2026
which are
the mine growth project are engineers and planners president ni me the man process now say officially 2025
letter now
or shall say officially 20
that is not true
let's have a conversation about the letter
no
so share your mining laws now your mining laws ne say say person the company be a merger and now say oh yeah acquisition under your mining laws now you need a no objection letter from the minister for mines to allow you to open conversations with the owner of the mine to either allow a merger or an acquisition. A no objection letter does not in any way mean say go and take over the mine. Right. That is not what it means.
May that say?
If that is the understanding there, the process no shall say. I think it's wrong understanding.
Oh, Sunyane Kokono. Your friend Sunyane. What was about Waka? Or Sister Sec for Emma an invitation when you school or Hunty Wonko. Jay Cassa. Botchway. Jay Cassa. Also, into John Coin into Wonko. Now, Susek for no Sebi, or Mutimi Crew make say. From Maria Wusi, Cassatan, Time San, or Mocasset, Timemu for the Nanga Pedro, Minimum.
I said petrol aba from abano there he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go for what there? What you say? And I know somebody can say Pulican aba abama enyama na eba from oh unti dem making me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say no muhia ama no muhia but nanka we my no dwadifo no kyerem so mokọ even say port wa ne ma no from kakra nyesa na mo kan yes but this kan ne ma bo no eba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa my no omoko fa ne ma ne ba omo tete so ana abanu kreti another environment but say individual entity ne ma so aban kreti petro ensi so
is right obisa me no me
so at the end of
what you say
he's also asking a legitimate idea
adentina sa ne ma we nyina ebi no aban na ye ne de ebi na say bonten so for no yen de ebi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5 yes now so and they were not 2 years ago ni boy HCDs no because the inflationary rate no
but this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi Kwesi as propaganda secretary. Mentioning people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?